Ashford Street, head northbound.
1050.
What you're about to see is no Hollywood script. This is real. A high-speed pursuit through the narrow streets of Osasu, Brazil, that some have dubbed the greatest police chase ever caught on camera. As the chase funneled into tight one-way streets, the tension was at its highest. Yet, in the end, determination won. The police closed in and arrested the suspect, proving once again their unwavering commitment to public safety. On April 29, 2024, at approximately 11:20 a.m., a black Dodge Charger was caught speeding over 110 miles per hour in a 60 miles per hour zone on I-75 North. The driver recklessly weaved through traffic, showing no regard for safety. The chase intensified as the Charger exited at mile marker 40B, running a red light and crashing into two vehicles. With a Paiti maneuver, the officer forced the Charger to spin out. But the driver, identified as Robinson, along with the rear passenger, fled on foot.
Can I talk to my mother?
Yeah. You don't remember?
Yes, sir.
Despite briefly escaping, a perimeter was established, and an FHP K-9 unit tracked Robinson down, hiding in a garbage can on Henderson Boulevard. He was arrested and brought back to the scene.
I wasn't driving though, so I should be. Yeah.
Hang on, Nottingham. Hang on.
Hello. Yeah, hello, can you hear me?
On July 11, 2024, in Chester, South Carolina, deputies pulled over Eric Bernard Jones for driving with a suspended license. Instead of complying, Jones sped off, sparking a high-speed chase that came to a crashing halt on Ashford Road.
Boss, go ahead and step out of the car for me.
Okay. Hold on for a minute, man. Damn. Let me roll my window. Man, let me roll my window up. I gotta shut it to roll the window.
Come on.
Man, come on, man.
85 miles an hour. Still on. The bypass. Right on Ashford Street, head north-south.
1050.
Good girl. Good.
We're still on lead. 21, spin it out.
On June 12, 2024, in Atlanta, Georgia, Zone 5 officers responded to a shooting involving 4 suspects in a blue Tesla. When officers spotted the vehicle, a high-speed chase followed, led by ACE units and the APD air unit.
Yes, I do have a secondary unit. They can call it. Yeah, behind the source, right here, code 4. Alright, Phoenix, please, we got it. Let us call it, we got it. Alright, on Peters, go ahead, westbound. Westbound on Peters. Westbound, Peters. Westbound on Whitehall, coming up to Oak. Long lanes of travel, gonna be going 70 plus, still on Whitehall. Heavy traffic over here, y'all. Heavy traffic over here. Almost 41, we are still south on Whitehall, crossing over 88. Heavy traffic over here, y'all. Heavy traffic over here. Almost 41, we are still south on Whitehall, crossing over 88. 60 miles, long lanes, travel here, back on the right side. Green safe. Just go 30 off, 4 off, very good, got that time. Okay, light traffic over here. 41 team, area attention. Hey, just crossed over Lee. Still on Whitehall, you got heavy. Switch to the other zone. Phoenix should be the only one talking on this radio. We're still on Lee. Ooh, fully road, spinning out. He's gonna be, right on Lee. He just gained control, we gained control. Spinning out. He's gonna be, right on Lee. He just gained control, we gained control.
The chase ended when the suspect vehicle crashed on Lee Street Southwest. The driver attempted to flee on foot, but was swiftly captured, while the passengers were detained at the scene. A firearm was recovered from the driver.
Hands! Don't you fucking move! Hands up! You're gonna crawl over this seat with your hands up, you understand me? Let's go! Crawl! Crawl, motherfucker! Crawl now!
You don't crawl, you detain, bitch!
On the ground! Don't you move! Hands down!
Hey, you got him? I'm gonna go get him!
Don't you move, I swear to God!
Hey, are you good?
Stand by.
I got a question.
Go!
I got a question.
But it's not question time. It's not talking time. Any guns in the car? Come over here. Scoot, I don't give a fuck what you gotta do. Let's go.
In this high-stakes chase, a suspect clad in a red jacket showcases his mastery of the city's streets. Known for outmaneuvering local law enforcement on 3 previous occasions, he has earned a notorious reputation among the police. Determined to end his streak, officers pushed their driving skills to the limit. Despite their efforts, the suspect's intimate knowledge of the city's crowded streets and narrow alleyways allows him to pull further ahead. The chase intensifies, evoking the thrill of Brazil's dramatic car pursuits, often seen in Hollywood films. Yet, in a frustrating twist, the outcome remains unchanged. For the 4th time, the elusive suspect slips away, leaving the police exasperated and the chase unresolved. On May 16, 2024, at 9:14 p.m., an officer on Interstate 430 North near the 8-mile marker spotted a black motorcycle in the 3rd lane. The motorcycle suddenly veered into the exit lane without signaling, prompting the officer to initiate a stop. The rider fled, leading to a high-speed chase onto Rodney Parham Road.
Two designated 363 for Adam 14 1037.
As the pursuit continued, the officer observed the rider slow down near Treasure Hill Drive and attempt evasive maneuvers. The rider, identified as Adam Vaughn, was eventually apprehended after crashing while trying to turn.
Hey, stop right there. Get on the ground. Okay. Get on the ground. Okay, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, sir.
Don't move.
Yes, sir.
I've got one at gunpoint. Rodney Perriman, Treasure Hill. Don't move.
I won't move. I'm sorry.
Vaughn admitted that fear was the reason for his flight. Methamphetamine was found in his possession. Vaughn was charged and taken to Pulaski County Regional Jail. Thank you for watching today's video on our channel. We, the channel building team, always aim to bring exciting experiences to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss out on other captivating videos. Goodbye, and see you again.